Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Tarek. Tarek joined our funded trader program last October on the 5th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 11th of November. So slightly more than 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. Very well done. Let's have a look at his equity line. From this we can see that he had a very good start. In just 2 days since he started on the 7th of October, he was up almost 4% on his account. Then something happened throughout mid of October, and he went down on his account up to -4, almost -5%. But then he started a recovery, and basically already by the end of October he was already holding the initial balance. And then we can see here from the end of October it was just one way for him to hit his first 10% target. Very well done. Let's have a look at the statistics. So we can see an average daily return of 0.25%, which is very good, monthly 7.89%, and a drawdown of 8.51%. And this is because we saw here from his equity line, he had a steady start. He went up almost 4% on his account and then down -4%. That's why we see that number over there. So let's also have a look at the advanced statistics, and we can see how he only took 52 trades with a profitability rate of 46%, so slightly less than half of the trade he took he won. But let's have a look at his average win and his average loss, and we can notice how on average his winning trade were 35.37 pips, while his average loss is around 20 pips, we can say. So okay, that explains how with a profitability rate that is less than 50%, he still managed to be profitable eventually. Let's have a look at his best trade and worst trade. So, dollar-wise, his best trade was on the 21st of October. He gained $493, and his worst trade in terms of dollar was on October the 14th, and he lost $297. Pip-wise, his best trade was on the 21st of October as well, so maybe we're talking about the same trade here, and he gained 98 pips. And his worst trade on the 30th of October, he lost 61 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see in which pair he focused the most. We can see few positions open here and then on different euro pairs as well as in different pound pairs, but it's clear how the majority of his position were on the pound dollar. 36 trade open on this pair, and he gained 314 pips, reaching a profit on this pair of $1,573. We can see he had good results also in the other 2 pound pairs he traded. 2 position opened on the pound New Zealand and 5 on the pound yen, and he respectively won $209 on the pound New Zealand and $114 on the pound yen. We can also see quite a big loss on the 2 trades he took on the EuroCAD. He lost 84 pips, resulting in a loss of $318 altogether. Let's have a look at his history to have a look also at the lot size he used. Let's go back to page 3, when he first started, when he joined on the 5th of October. He went full lot straight away. We remember from his equity line that his First 2 days were quite profitable, and then something happened throughout October, and in fact we can see here from the second page of his account history, we can see a lot of red position. We remember that from his equity line. And let's go back here. When the recovery started, we can see pound position opened at full lot available for him, 0.5, and we can see a big position here, a sell in the pound dollar, where he gained $490. Very good. And we can see other positive trades for him. Okay, Tarek, very well done. Let's also have a look at his average trade length, 7 hours and 24 minutes. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. That's really nice. That's very nice scatter plot. We can see how the majority of his position were held for less than 1 day. We saw on average 7-hour average length, and only one position held for longer, and it was a really positive position for him, and he held it for 4 days. This is really nice. Very well done. Okay, Tarek, very well done, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.